Honestly, I'm kind of surprised it took this long, but Unity has finally launched a beta version of its own AI assistant. And according to Unity's official announcement, the goal is to help developers build better games faster. The AI is designed to work like an in-project assistant that understands the context of your Unity project and helps with Unity-specific workflows. And in the trailer, Unity showed off some pretty impressive stuff. They created a game prototype using prompts, including building an arena from existing assets, adding a player-controlled vehicle using a reference, adding weapons, creating shooting scripts, and adjusting the skybox. Unity also says that by default user data is supposed to provide the service but not used to train AI models. And the assistant should already be available for Unity 6 and above. Now, as I said multiple times before, I'm getting a little tired of every software company trying to shove AI into everything. Don't get me wrong, the trailer does make a decent case for it. Especially for solo developers or people making side projects, this could be genuinely useful. But game development is complicated. Even a basic game has a lot of moving parts, and AI tools still lose context, misunderstand instructions, or confidently create things that don't actually work. So I'm pretty skeptical about how useful this assistant will be in real production. And for bigger studios, privacy is going to be a major concern. I highly doubt a lot of professional developers are going to rush into this, unless Unity is extremely clear about data handling, ownership, and security. And honestly, part of me thinks this is just a clever marketing move. Unity took a huge reputational hit after the whole runtime fee controversy, even though that fee was eventually reversed. So this feels like a way to say, hey, don't leave Unity. Look at us, we're building this flashy new tech for you. And maybe it works, but it's definitely a gamble. If this assistant makes Unity 6 easier to start with, easier to maintain, and easier to iterate in, then great. That could become a real reason for developers to stick with Unity. But if it is inaccurate, expensive, or unclear about rights and data, then it could become one more reason for developers to look at other engines. And with how annoyed a lot of people already are about AI, I'm not sure this is going to win Unity as many points as they hope. But hey, what do you think? Would you actually use an AI agent like this for game development?